Hello, this video is for people over 40. I'm over 40. I'm trying to reach out. My name is Frenchy Lover, by the way. I started this YouTube back in the February, around that time. That's when my channel's been up since 2014, but I really haven't did none. When I first started through, as I said, previous other videos, started it with DECA, collegiate DECA, and that's where it got me off there. But I got away through college and work and life experience. Just life took its course. Now, some just provoked me to get back in YouTube, and I'm over 40, and I was talking to some people. They said, "Why don't you reach out to the audience, people over 40 as well?" But my content is for everyone. But I wanted to reach out to 40 and over, people that's 40 and over, about getting into content creation. This is I want to motivate you and get you excited about moving into content creation in the space of YouTube. I'm only on the YouTube platform. I'm on Instagram and other platforms, but I really don't do a lot I don't know much about Instagram and other platforms, but this particular platform I know a lot about. I've been educating myself, developing, being a new content creator. So it's exciting. And things work well, I'm a barber, so as a craft, as an entrepreneur, it gives me space to be able to continue moving into different fields. And content creation was an energy that was pushed on me. I've always been watching YouTube videos. I always liked YouTube platform. The content, I learned a lot of stuff working on cars, looking at cars, how to assess things, and people that have a skill set in this space. And everyone will tell you go to YouTube first. That's the first place to go, because there's something about what you're looking for out there. So I see the benefit of YouTube. So this video is directly to people that's 40 and over. Come and join YouTube. It's exciting, man. I'm motivated. I'm learning different things about editing, AI, different various tools that I never knew about, proofreading, learning how to do hooks, intros, thumbnails. It just elevated my knowledge skill base and got me motivated and excited about learning new things. And I always thought computer science and social media and marketing, all that stuff was for the young people, for the birds. But I found out anyone can do it if you have a thirst to learn something new. I'm a life learner, so I'm always trying to learn something. So I'm excited about the YouTube space, and I want to tell everybody, come on, man. If you're over 40, come on. 40, 50, I talked to some friends about this, and they was like, man, do a video on I'm looking on your page. I don't see nothing about people around your age doing content. So I decided to do this video on that note. Without further ado, let's talk about, I have another point to talk to you about being a content over 40. It's exciting. Come try it, guys. Seriously. Hold one second. I'm motivated and I'm dedicated to this field. So the first part is just get going. Starting a YouTube channel. I hope you get engaged with YouTube. It's a great platform. This is the main platform I'm working off of and learning from, and I'm totally engaged. Yeah, I want to know, if you decide not to do YouTube, why? What's the reason why? Because there's really no reason why. You're not just put up for a hobby. And if it is, what's holding you back? If you're not having put on, what's holding you back from doing this? Let's try to be transparent. I'm definitely a transparent type of person. What is your purpose behind it? What is your goal? What do you like? You like garden? Talk about garden. It's anything you can do with YouTube. It's just content development. It's give you a way out to reach out to other people and start different groups and stuff and get engaged with different people. This is my intro. I hope you think about YouTube and hope you join us. And I'm an individual content. I don't have a team with me. All this stuff I'm learning new. I think that's what makes me more excited, as I said previously. But whatever engagement you have with YouTube, it's on you. You can reach out to me, send me a comment on my page. My name is Frenchy Loveheart. Or reach out to me, check me out, check out my content, subscribe, like, leave a comment. I hope this motivates you to start your YouTube channel. Yeah. Now that was my intro. The second section I will talk about is how you can see this as a hobby, or you can see it as a business. I got blueprint YouTube clips on there. You can make money off of YouTube if that's but you'll be leaning more towards the business aspect of YouTube if you decide to join us and focus on business, because there's people making money. There's people making millions of dollars I see it as a business. That's my approach. I like to do shoes, but I like anything. When I lost one of my jobs, I wanted to replace it. I used to work at Great Clips and some other places. I'm raising a son. He's in college, so I had to have more time to help him in college. So it took a lot of things out of me. So I had to replace that, try to find some income. I'm not even monetized now, but now that I joined this YouTube, I thought it'd be faster. I'm not gonna lie, because I was hearing all these gurus talking about I was there for a month and all these fast, quick trips of getting your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, all these gaslighting. And there's some of these work, but then a lot of these was a lot of tricks. And then once the YouTube system caught on, they actually washed out them situations. And so what I did was decide to focus on organically. So it's taking a longer time for me. I'm after 6 months now. But I'm way ahead from when I first started back in January, February. So it's up to you. But it could be profitable. It could be a hobby. It could be a business model. There's many ways to earn: AdSense, advertisement, become a YouTube partner, sell merchandise, merch. There's various start your own coaching business, counseling, coaching. Start different kind of podcasts. You can start. You connect YouTube to all kind of stuff, and YouTube have everything. So much engagement on YouTube and how to profitize your channel. So it's amazing. So this could be a major business if that's what you want to do. I'm moving towards that direction. So I'm excited to move forward. So I hope you take this into consideration. There's so many various ways. You can do companies like Connected Company when you get monetized, print on demand, sell t-shirts, merch on that. You connect it to your page. You can connect a website to your channel that it can go to your page. There's so many you can in my space. You can become motivational speakers, have a speaking event business. It's an amazing space if you take advantage of all that YouTube has to offer. Yeah, you can actually, YouTube belongs to Google now, and Google is the biggest search engine out there. So that teaches how to use search. Look at search engine optimization, SEOs. It teaches you how to look at your algorithm analytics. When you're using YouTube platform, you learn so much, guys. It's amazing. So take this, consider if you decide to do this for a business or a hobby. Please join if you're over 40. There's so much engagement. There's so much opportunities with YouTube if you take it into consideration and be really motivated about it and excited. Once you get in, you can start. I'm starting a panel, a group discussion panel where I talk to people that's new into YouTube. So I got a lot of things on the fire. I'm just getting to these points of achievements to be able to open up different other opportunities with YouTube. So that's another thing. It gets you rewards as you elevate each level you go to. You elevate, you get different rewards. You learn about viewership. You learn about everything that you've been learning, but you go into a deeper understanding of it. They have conferences with other groups. You're going to be able to meet other people. So it's exciting. You're going to learn so much with YouTube, but you first just got to get started. And then from there, then you can go forward. Yeah, YouTube is a great platform. I hope you get engaged with this again. This is the only platform I really focus on. And I'll tell anyone that will be coming to engage with this platform, focus on YouTube. YouTube has such a recognized name, and then since Google owns it, you have the biggest search engine in the world behind this YouTube. So everything's connected. It's pretty streamlined. So YouTube, when you start your page, and I'm really talking to people over 42, get excited. It's going to be exciting. Just get started. Just do it. Do it. Focus is just a hobby. Just come in with the idea, not as a business. Like, I know where I want to go, but if you want to come in, just come in as a hobby. There's so much opportunities with YouTube, and I can't take none from it. And it's going to open up doors for you along the way if you give it time. I'm excited about YouTube. So I hope you engage this with this platform and take advantage of what they have to offer here, because it's going to be amazing. The journey is going to be live. Seriously, you're going to enjoy the journey. Just start your page. With the Google search engine, with YouTube, it's going to, when you become a partner, a YouTube partner program, when you get me to hours, 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers, and you partner up, you approve a partnership, you're going to be amazed at so much support Google is going to have with your material. It's going to promote your material out there onto the Google world, YouTube world. It's going to be amazing. It has so many opportunities for you to advance in this space and grow in different areas. And since you're over 40, you have a life lived. You have a life long of content. You can talk about all the things in your life if you so desire. YouTube is a great platform, and there's nothing like this. So it's so intuitive. It's a very creative space where open the doors for new creators, small content creators, gurus. Everybody's here. It's a great social media platform. It's the best platform I think that's out there right now in society. I like other platforms, but I put nothing up to YouTube. YouTube is the best platform out there, in my opinion, in my only opinion. And I'm just one person out of billions. But I'm telling you, it's amazing, the platform, what it allows you. It's so intuitive. It's so much. You can learn so much, and you can grow. And it can offer other careers. I know people got jobs after going through the YouTube process because they could talk about certain things they never had to talk about, like analytics, the watch out viewership, audience engagement, SEO, search engine optimization, just statistics, just how they're looking at the back and forth of the interfacing with this platform. Your conversation just changed. Your verbal communication skill level develops. Your word selection change in that space. It's going to elevate you. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. Just continue moving forward. YouTube is the best platform I see out there in social media. It's so the platform is amazing, and you can do so much with YouTube. You can live stream. You can do blogs. You can do vlogs. You can do podcasts. So much on YouTube. You're gonna learn, and then you can figure out which area you like the best and what space you like to do. You can do short, long form content, short form content, short, long form content. You can do shorts. Almost everything out there, and they added on some new concept. I'm gonna do a video on there about the updates they have. You're gonna be amazed at what's happening with YouTube. Just take advantage of it. Seriously, guys. It's amazing. I can say all the tools that YouTube offers, and guys talking about this, the tools that you need at YouTube, and just the advantages it takes, with opportunities to take advantageous opportunities that offer YouTube. Like when you have a family, when you have children, don't be amazed, because at 40, you have teenagers. Depending on where you're at in life, you have some that's almost grown out of the home. You have some with you, but most of the average person, not the average, but a percentage of people have children in the 40s, and they have focus on things, teenagers or whatever. I had children. I have a teen. My last one is 20 now. He's in college, and I had to deal with a lot of things working with the YouTube channel, and he needed me this year, so it took an overwhelming energy to focus on him and do the platform, growing with the YouTube platform. But I was able to do it because there's so much. I can move things around. I can shift different, like live stream, like video content, long form. I pretty much focus on long form videos and all the genres. So that's my space right now, because I'm new. I'm learning all this new information, learning all this, how to do AI videos, how to start short stories, long stories, but have a long form content. Just developing many areas, learn how to do the algorithms, learn how to understand the analytics, learning. So I'm amazed at what I've learned so far, and you will be too if you stick to it and you just start your channel. It's for anybody who wants to start YouTube. Just go. You can put it on private if you want to publicize it right away. No one will never know. Then when you get confident, you could put it on public, and then it go to the world. But it's exciting. just join, guys. Just start. And with YouTube, you don't have to have all the top equipment. I'm not using all the top equipment, but well, your phone's iPhone or your Android, this is high-end materials, technology. The camera's excellent. Look at my videos. You'll be surprised. You're like, oh man, did he do it on some high-tech camera? Nope. These phones are high-tech these days, man. You don't need this sound equipment. You don't need all that major stuff. You can grow. As you grow, you can build it. You can build your portable studio. That's what I'm saying. People that's really doing big things, they have portable studios. And it's not difficult to do. So this, in the business model, don't be worried. This is a small, the buy-in pretty much on YouTube is sweat equity. It's what you're gonna put into it. The equipment and stuff, you get a lot of stuff from the library for free. You can go to your alma mater and rent things out if you need to get started. There's all kind of opportunities for you with YouTube platform. So don't be amazed, don't be afraid or amazed at what you do once you start thinking creatively about this platform and how it could benefit you and what you need. You'd be surprised what, most libraries have laptops with cameras. So you can use the laptop for a couple hours. You can put 4 or 5 videos up in a couple hours, depending on how long the videos are. So that's every day. So there's so much you can do here that I'm using the space. So it's amazing. I wish you guys get involved, just take advantage of this opportunity. YouTube is a great platform, social media platform that you can use and join for free. So I hope you guys get excited, get motivated, and get out here. I'll be talking across the country about YouTube and trying to get people motivated. So without further ado, I'm going to bid you a good night and have a wonderful evening. This is Frenchy Love Heart, People Over 40 video. Come and start join your YouTube and create your YouTube channel with your life experiences and have fun, enjoy the ride. It's been a blast. Have a wonderful day.